Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2010 Nissan Altima. For this project, you will need a 10mm socket with a long extension as well to take off the battery bracket off the top of the battery itself. Just turn it clockwise until you feel the screws unloosening both sides. Then the next step is you want to disconnect your the other part of the battery bracket as well till you see it braced against the back of the component here in the car. So you want to take off that screws as well too. It's a kind of unusual battery bracket that Nissan has in this Nissan Altima. Okay, so once you get the battery bracket off, then what you want to use is either a 10mm socket or a wrench, and you want to take off your negative terminal and do the same as well with the positive as well too. Once you get both cables, you'll be able to look up the battery itself. Today we are installing the world's best reconditioned battery. Okay, so once you get your battery back installed into the vehicle, you want to go ahead and connect your positive terminal. Then what we're going to do, we're going to take we're going to go ahead and install the battery bracket back into on the battery itself as well. So once you get that done, you want to go ahead and tighten up your battery bracket here. Then your next step is you want to go ahead and connect your negative terminal, which is also known as the ground, back on the negative battery post itself. Use your 10mm socket or a wrench to tighten up that bolt. And we can't forget the last part of this battery bracket. Like I said, this is a kind of unusual battery bracket here for Nissan. Just make sure you bolt that top part back up that component here. Just use your finger kind of like get it going, because you don't want to drop that bolt down in the engine. Just tighten it up and this will complete your job of exactly how to install a 2010 Nissan Altima battery. Thank you for visiting Battery Guyz Nation.